What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets airport update of Austin International Airport. If you guys do enjoy, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new and love aviation content. But without further ado, let's get straight into the airport update, starting off with this FedEx McDonnell Douglas MD-11, which will be departing out to Memphis. Next in line, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This is in the new livery, and it's just getting ready to pull onto the runway after the FedEx aircraft for a departure flight out to Denver. Second in line, we have a JetBlue Airbus A320. This is the Blueberry's tail with sharklets. This will be departing out for Los Angeles in about 30 minutes. Starting off at the main concourse, we have a Delta Airbus A320-100 heading out to Salt Lake City in about 40 minutes. It's currently getting the fuel and catering done to the back of the aircraft. Then right here we have a Delta Airbus A321. This is just getting some fuel and cargo loaded onto the aircraft before it does a departure flight out to Atlanta. And it also arrived in from Atlanta about an hour ago. Right here we have a JetBlue Airbus A320. This is in the high-rise livery. It is getting fuel and catering, as well as passengers are boarding the aircraft before a departure flight out to Boston. Right here we have a Alaska Boeing 737-900ER. This does not have any winglets whatsoever. This is also a new model, and I will do an unboxing shortly. Anyway, this aircraft is getting fuel and passengers loaded on for a flight out to Seattle. Starting off at the Southwest gates, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-800. This just arrived in from Dallas and will be doing a flight out to Nashville. Right here we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700, just getting some maintenance done to the engine before a departure flight out to Las Vegas. It's also getting some cargo loaded on to be shipped to Vegas, as well as the oncoming passengers are getting off from a flight in from Nashville. Next up we have a Southwest Boeing 737-800 in the Heart livery. This just arrived in from Phoenix about 20 minutes ago, and is now getting some catering and fuel done to the aircraft before a departure flight out to Tampa in about 20 minutes. Right here we have a brand new model, which is the Southwest Boeing 737-700 Louisiana 1. This just arrived in from Nashville about an hour ago and was resting here before it heads out to Denver in about 10 minutes. Just getting some fuel and passengers loaded on. Right here we have a American Airbus A319. This just arrived in from Miami about 10 minutes ago, and in about 45 minutes it'll be heading out to Dallas Fort Worth after it gets the fuel and the cargo loaded on. Then right here we have a American Airbus A320. This just arrived in from Miami not that long ago, and will be heading out to Dallas Fort Worth. Right here we have a American Boeing 737-800. This is in the One World livery and will be pushing back in about 10 minutes for a departure flight out to Charlotte. Right here we have a United Express Embraer E175, just getting some passengers, fuel, and cargo loaded on before it departs out to Washington IAD. Right here we have a United Boeing 737-800. This is in the old livery and it's just getting fueled up before a flight out to Houston IAH. Right here we have a United Boeing 737-900. This is in the Continental Retro livery and will be doing a departure flight all the way out to Denver, Colorado. Then right here we have another special livery. This is the United 737-900 Eco Skies livery. This will be doing a flight out to Denver, and it arrived in from New York. And then just taxiing past the gates, here we have a UPS Boeing 767-300 freighter. That's just taxiing past the gates, as I mentioned, for a flight out to Louisville. That does conclude today's airport update of Austin International Airport. If you guys did enjoy, please consider leaving a like and consider subscribing to my channel, as it means so much to me and your guys' support is amazing. A little bit of news, I have picked up some foam for Denver International Airport. I'm going to put foam underneath and then MDF board on top, just to make it look better. Then I'll probably paint the edges or something like that. But I have been doing a lot of progress on that. And also Honolulu, I've been working on that, rearranging some stuff in my room, hopefully to expand Honolulu in the future. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. And have a good day/night. Goodbye.